Sound check, everybody sound check, alright. And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. This is Mike, the FX Boss, broadcasting you live on YouTube and other streaming platforms. Happy Monday. Welcome to the Technical Forex and Crypto course this year. 101, right? Yeah, hello, how are you? And today we have trading support, resistance, pivot points, how to trade support in a downtrend. Wow. Very good. Everybody, never forget, you are going to graduate from this course when number 1, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number 2, you have a strategy in place. You understand why you win, why you lose. Number 3, you have a complete understanding of how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Hello Sam, how are you? Also remember that if your way is not working, Sam, if your way is not working, Sam, why don't you try mine? Disclaimer, this stream is not trading and or investing advice. Everybody, this webinar, this stream is for educational purposes only. And for questions and homeworks, you have my Gmail. For extra webinars, seminars, workshops, you have Skype. If you didn't receive the free manual, this one, send me an email. It's for free, doesn't cost you a cent. And remember, everybody, we are in module 2 from the course. It's called timing and retracement trading. All right? Until lesson 18, until lesson 17, it was market structure and trends. You are learning market structure and trends until lesson 17. Starting lesson 18, we are in what it's called timing and retracement trading. Okay, so we have today how to trade support in a downtrend. How can we take advantage of fast support in a downtrend, everybody? So this is, we're going to talk about today about retracement trading. All right, we are going to use fast support in a downtrend in order to, number 1, spot reversals and spot start of down retracements. All right, everybody? And make sure you draw a new past support, not past resistance. Past resistance in a downtrend work the same as past support. Let me see if anything else is here. Past support, past support. Green line show past support in a downtrend, alright. Exactly. In the picture above you can see how past resistance levels, left side, become past support levels. Confusing? Oh, let's clear. So in an uptrend, when it's making hard highs, hard lows, and then reverse is going to make a ceiling, right? So it was resistance and then became past support. All good, nothing new. Forex course 101 charting trading concept. Only after the break, past support becomes resistance for future downtrend market movement. It was support once, then it broke, it became a resistance, all good. So past support, past support, past support. Trading concept about the short-term trend. Once the market breaks the past support in a downtrend, look for opportunities to go long until the next break of relevant lows. If a level is broken, then look for positions in the other direction until the next support. Be careful not to confuse apples with bananas. Not every high in the example above is relevant. Learn the skill. You can go long and trade a down retracement, but this same down retracement becomes an extension trade when it breaks the relevant high. Why? Because with the relevant high broken, the trend is changing. Not the yellow one, but the blue one is changing. With the break of the blue relevant high, yes, with the break of the blue relevant high, not yellow, it's making lower lows, lower highs. Anymore, just made a hard high. If it sounds confused, give it time. If you don't get it, give it time. Alright, everybody. Yeah, give me a second. What is better considering drawing support or resistance for the 4-hour time frame, monthly, weekly? Monthly, everybody. Monthly, pivot point, support, resistance. Traders hint to retracement. Traders are riskier compared to extension trades. Alright. Okay, everybody, those are the charts. Okay, finally, we are on AUD CAT, and let's find, so we need to find how support in a downtrend. Let's open, everybody, AUD USD. AUD USD. Yes. Draw support, resistance, pivot points from the monthly. Alright? The big ones, exactly. And then if you need to have extra, but you know, the big ones are the most relevant, alright? Okay, everybody. So we are here, and I'm going to exit the screen. I'm going to go to the 4-hour chart. Okay, everybody, how are we going to take advantage on on AUD USD 4-hour chart? Type in the chat, buy or sell. Don't be shy, there is no right or wrong. Hedge fund trader Sam. What do you think? Everybody, we are learning right now in this module. Yeah, I'm back from vacation, I'm sorry. We are learning in this module that if this is a downtrend, right? High to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, not a low, not a low, not a low, high to low. So far, all right? We are learning that in this module, we're trying to get an understanding that you have two traders, all right? Now, the easy one, you know, in terms of skill, the easy one, it's a trend trader and is going to short the market. Make sense? Because the market's making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Okay? And the trend trader is going to enter, example, counter trend line break, counter trend line break, and is going to try to take advantage of the price action at the counter trend line break. Meaning, wouldn't we make money if we would short the market, sell the market at this red, or let's, okay, still black, let's change this, so the black counter trend line break, and if we would short the second counter trend line break, wouldn't we make any money? Click here and black. We would, right? So this is one, but we are also trying to learn that somebody else sitting somewhere else in the world is going to look at the same chart, same currency pair, all right, and same time frame, thank you very much, same time frame, but is going to trade, he's going to buy, so he's going to buy the retracement with the counter trend line break, and he's going to buy the retracement with the counter trend line break. This is what we're trying to understand in here right now. So the market is going to wave lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, blue, and there you go, maybe this one. The market is going to wave lower low, lower high, all right, in a down extension, and then it's going to market after the extension what must come. What must come? A retracement, exactly. So a retracement trader is going to take advantage of this move and is going to make some money if he or she is skilled. And then a retracement is going to stop and the market is going to push to the next extension leg where the trend trader is going to enter, and after the next extension the new retracement is going to come where a retracement trader is going to make the is going to take advantage of the market and try to make some profits. Make sense? Wow, right? So as per the price action and as how the market moves, as you can see, everybody, yes, fair enough, retracement trading, it's riskier, but we're trying to grasp at the understanding that, oh, you know, when we analyze a chart, we can have two traders looking at the same chart at the same time frame, okay, and one is sitting in Japan and is going to buy the market, all right, somebody else sitting in Australia or Dubai or whatever may be the case, you know, Croatia, Latvia, all right, is going to sell. Exactly. Okay, everybody? So if I am the guy who is selling and I'm selling in the, see the circle? I'm shorting the market because I can see that the market is in a downtrend. I'm shorting the market in the circle, all right? If I put my stop loss up in here on the blue, or if I put my stop loss up in here still on the blue, what is going to happen? Type in the chat, everybody. Boss, can you repeat please? Yes, sir. So we're trying to get an understanding that two traders, one sitting in Japan and one in Croatia. The Japanese trader, he or she is going to buy the market, you know, and somebody else in Croatia is going to short the yellow. Or is going to short the market because he or she they are seeing the yellow, it's a downtrend, right? But he or she is going to put the stop loss above the blue. Can the trader who is going to win, going short, make money doing this? Everybody, what's the answer? Or is this trader going to be stopped out? Based on what you see, you have the chart and the line, right? Are they going to be stopped out? Or are they going to win? See now why retracement trading and short-term trading and 15-minute chart and the 1-hour chart, those charts are riskier in terms of skill. Exactly, it's going to lose. But if the same trader moves the stop loss up in here, then what? The market is going to go against him for a time, and because we are in a downtrend, he's going to win, isn't he? Any questions so far? Alright, so this is one, right? Next, the Japanese trader is going to buy the blue, right? And is going to put the stop loss where? Down in here, agreed? And then if he or she is not skilled enough to or cancel and replace the stop or profit take, where is the appropriate time to profit take? If I enter the market, everybody, in here at the circle, and if I don't profit take, what is going to happen next? You are going to lose again, boss. Exactly. If I don't profit take or if I don't protect myself, I'm going to lose again. So see everybody, both of the two traders can win if they have the stop loss in the appropriate place and if they know where to profit take, and both of them can lose if they do have the stop loss in the wrong place or if they don't profit take at the right time. Does this make sense to you? Any questions so far? Any questions? Don't be shy. We're here to learn. All right, very good. All clear, boss. All right, excellent. So how to trade support in a downtrend, everybody? I'm going to delete this one, alright? Delete, delete, delete. Delete, 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 deleting here, deleting here. Alright, so how are you going to take advantage of the AUD USD 4-hour chart? It's with the understanding of, so this is a downtrend, and I'm going to chart support, alright? So this is support. Boss, how do I know? Support, it's a high. Levels of support are highs, if you want to write this down, everybody. And levels of resistance are lows. Okay, we talked about on Monday that support is going to, the market is going to come from above, is going to hit this, and then it's going to see the yes, this is on Monday. Right, level of support like this, level of resistance like that. All right, everybody. Now remember, we are in a downtrend. All right. In a downtrend, past support it's a high. All right. Just write this down. In a downtrend, past support is a high. And past resistance, it's a low. Alright? That's a low. And this is the level of past. No, not the right one, the left one. This is past resistance. That support. So if I clone, this would be a resistance, and if I clone, this would be a resistance. Okay, just for you to understand, everybody. But I don't want to confuse you, so we're going to resist. All right. I don't want to confuse, so we're going to talk about support predominantly. Okay. All right, good, good. All right, out, out, out. Okay, everybody. Now, when the market is going to make higher high, higher low, higher high, are we in a downtrend? Excuse me, sorry about that. Are we in a downtrend or are we in an uptrend? What's the answer? The market is going to make higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low on the green. You know, are we in an uptrend or are we in a downtrend? Sam says uptrend. And if the market makes the next higher low, and Sam, you buy the market, what is going to happen? You buy this counter trendline break. What is going to happen next, Sam? Or anybody else online, student traders on YouTube, you too. If I believe that the green is an uptrend, then logically I'm going to buy it, right? It doesn't make any sense to sell an uptrend. So here is the question. I'm the student, teacher Sam. If this is an uptrend and we are going to buy, what is going to happen next? Are we going to win and the market is going to push up? Or are we going to lose 7 times out of 10 and this market is going to push down? What's the answer? Abdu says short-term up. The question is, Abdu, is this an uptrend or not? If you say, yeah, this is an uptrend, then I'm going to buy. Are we in an uptrend, everybody? Don't be shy, there is no right or wrong. If you see an uptrend, it's alright. If you see a downtrend, it's also right. It is at the end of the retracement, probably wise will push down. So, but boss, we are in an uptrend. Everybody go back to Duca's Copy Academy and learn relevant high, relevant low, relevant high, relevant low, relevant high, relevant low. The downtrend is the yellow, the green it's not. Okay, everybody? You can call it an uptrend, it's not a problem, just be aware that it's a retracement. Okay? So, a few lessons in this is support in a downtrend. Alright? So you must learn, for you to understand this market, you must learn about relevant highs and lows. You must learn about extension, retracement, extension. And now we are learning that retracement traders, they can make money, we can make money, but money was made from here. Money in a retracement trade was made from here to here. Okay? Money was already made. So if I am on the 15-minute chart, the green, or I'm on the 1-hour chart, the green, and I'm not aware that there is a bigger trend, so if I'm on the 15-minute chart, I'm not aware of the 4-hour chart trend, like in here, AUD USD 4-hour chart. Everybody see this one? Look in here. We're going to move from the 4-hour, we're going to move to the 15-minute chart. Give it a second. See what you're going to see on the 15-minute chart, everybody? If I cancel a few things, see what you are seeing in here on the 15-minute chart? And you could easily say, oh, this is an uptrend, or we're in an uptrend, or this market is going to go up and whatever. If you are not aware that you are in a downtrend on the 4-hour chart, example, then you have no chance. I mean, our brain is not going to pick up that, oh, all of this price section is a retracement. Does this make sense? Why not, boss? Because you are not going to spatially see it. Make sense? So money was made on the 15-minute chart or 1-hour chart or even the 4-hour chart. Money was made from here to here. And this is the relevant low, and me buying the market, if I delete a few things, me buying the market, right? knowing this rectangle, I'm going to delete this one and delete this one. So me buying the market up in here with this counter trendline break, me buying the market up in here, whatever, me buying the market in here, or me buying this breakout, you know, or me buying this one, you know, especially up in here. If I don't profit take fast enough, lose, exactly. Can you see it, everybody? Money was already made. Retracement traders, they enter down in here. This setup, the entry, it's about the strategy, but retracement traders, we enter in here, and money was already made. So if I go back on the 4-hour chart, and if I go back to theory, the more the market moves, the more the market retraces near the relevant low, then the riskier it becomes in terms of reversals. Does this make sense to you? Now, if the market, sometimes it happens the market is not going to fall, if the market breaks the low of resistance and goes down in here, this is what we call a no trade zone. Right? No trade zone, no trade zone. The no trade zone is the zone of maximum risk. This is where bulls and bears are going to fight for control. Alright, everybody? If your way is not working, see everybody? If your way is not working, why don't you try mine? Some of you are still stubborn out there after a few years. Right? Some of you are still stubborn, you make some money or not, but then the market goes in, and I'm telling you, don't trade in here, don't buy the market in here. It's the no trade zone, the zone of maximum risk. Anything can happen. So what is going to happen? One or two things can happen. Number one, the market goes up and up and up and breaks the level of support in a downtrend. Can you see it, everybody? Boss, too much information. Recap. Number one, money in a retracement trade was made from here to here. Right? Like in here too. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Money was already made in a retracement trade. Once the market hit past resistance, like in here, then you shouldn't go long anymore, or you short the market, but don't buy it because you're at past resistance. Alright, that's one. Number two, if the market goes deeper into a deeper retracement and breaks past resistance, this is what is called the no trade zone. Don't enter trades in here. Alright? Yes, but John, it's an advanced student in the Advanced Institutional Trader course. You are a beginner trader, you are learning, don't trade in the no trade zone. Unless the market breaks or the upside on the upside and is going to break the relevant high. So it's going to break the support in a downtrend. All right, everybody? And when the market breaks the support in a downtrend, what do you see? Are we in a downtrend or are we in an uptrend? The yellow one. Are we in an uptrend or a downtrend? The yellow one. What do you think? There is no right or wrong. Uptrend, Sam, very good. Are we in an extension leg or are we in a retracement leg, Sam? And Abdu and everybody else online, don't be shy, we're here to learn. I'm a nice guy, believe me. Or don't, or don't believe me, you know? Sam knows me, right? I'm a nice guy, right? Extension leg. So should we buy the very next or should we sell the very next? Extension, says Abdul. Yes, very good. Should we buy the market or should we sell the market? What is going to happen next? Should we buy or should we sell? How are you going to take advantage of this movement? AUD USD 4-hour chart. It's an up extension leg. Should we buy or should we sell? There is no right or wrong. What do you think? Sure, both can win, exactly. But what is going to happen next? How many of you are trying or have tried to trade breakouts, and as soon as the market breaks out, right? As soon as the market breaks out in here, makes a higher high, and you buy, what happens next? Exactly, a retracement must come. Very good, Sam, congratulations, you're getting it. So the very next is going to be a retracement, right? Support, and then it's going to go back up, right? This is one. So you can retracement trade if you want, you can buy the market if you want, you can short the market in the retracement, you can buy the market in an up extension again. So this would be one, everybody. Or in a no trade zone, there the bulls and bears are going to fight for control and the market is going to break on the downside. Okay, so when the market breaks support in a downtrend, this is how you spot a reversal. Yes, you can write this down. When the market breaks support, but it must be a relevant high. Not every high is a relevant high, everybody. When the market breaks support in a downtrend, this becomes a level of reversals. In the future, you're going to learn about crowns. On the other side, inside the no trade zone, if the bulls and bears are going to fight for control and the market breaks out, then you are going to do what? you are going to understand the market that, oh, we are still in a downtrend, exactly. And once the market conforms to lower lows, to lower highs from the green, this is going to be what? An indication that this is the next retracement leg, that the blue it's a retracement leg and the new extension is starting. Don't worry, you can download the video of the lesson from Dukascopy Academy, and then the market is going to fall, lower low, lower high, lower low, and the moment that it makes a new low, then and only then this up in here becomes the new relevant high, not before. Module number 2, it's challenging, it's called timing. You need to understand timing. Before the market breaks this low, this high, it's not relevant yet. Here beginner traders and intermediate traders still lose money because I'm going to sell the market, and the market is going to do this, and then it's going to go back up, and it's going to stop me again, and it's going to go down, and I'm going to short again, and it's going to go back up, and it's going to stop me again, and so on and so on and so on. Can you relate to this, everybody? You have multiple losers because you are entering prematurely. You are trading in the right direction, but you are entering with bad timing. The direction was correct, but timing was wrong. Does this make sense to you? Boss, this is all the same. No, it's not. If you short the market at the circle, where should the stop loss go? Everybody, should the stop loss go above the blue, or should the stop loss go above the yellow? Where should the stop loss go? You short the market here, right? At the green. So this is... You shorted the market inside the no trade zone. Even if I'm telling you don't do this, you shorted here. You are smart, you know, you're smarter than me. You know? Somebody's saying on the other streaming platform, oh, this is all the same. It's not. Where should the stop loss go if I'm shorting the market in here? Above the blue or the green, or above the yellow? Only one is the correct answer. Hedge Fund Trader Sam and Hedge Fund Trader Abdu on YouTube, where should the stop loss go? Should the stop loss go above the blue and the green, or should the stop loss go above the yellow? Sam says above the yellow. Above the yellow, very good. Why, boss, why? If I put the... Let's say that we have two traders. If I put the stop loss on the blue, and if the market reverses and stops me out, did the pattern change? Some of you, this is the first time you're learning something like this, aren't you? Boss, can you repeat the question? Yes, sir. If I put the stop loss in the wrong place, above the blue or above the green, and the market stops me out, Did the yellow downtrend, did the pattern change? This is the relevant low from the downtrend. This is the relevant high. That's the relevant low. That's the relevant high. Exactly. So you could be stopped out countless times because you are not aware what you are doing. Does this make sense to you? You are trading in the right direction, the wrong place. So the blue, the time to put the stop loss on the blue is when the market is going to make lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then it's going to finally make the new lower low. Then and only then and only then, this becomes the next relevant high. How do you know, boss? Because the market made a new low. See the low in here? This low, it's lower compared to the previous low. And this is, everybody, an ongoing game in the market. You must understand spatially, you must get aware and chart relevant highs and lows. You must try to understand spatially and see what is extension, retracement, extension. And thing number 3, you must learn and get skill to put the stop loss in the appropriate place. Make sense, everybody? It's not all the same. See in here? Delete, 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 delete. So if we go again on the 15-minute chart, maybe. Give it a second. So what would be the example? Example. All right. See here, everybody, you would short the market. Let's say that this is the trend line that you're looking at. All right, and you would short the market in here, example. How many of you would put the stop loss above in here? Fair enough. So this is theory, everybody. All right. You should have your stop loss up in here on the relevant high, but because you're not aware of the bigger trend, you're going to enter here and you're going to put the stop loss up in here. Can you see it? And if I go back, this is the 15-minute chart. If I go back on the 4-hour chart, do you see where is your stop loss on the 4-hour chart? Can you see it? This is your stop loss from the 4-hour time perspective. But the trend on the 4-hour chart is here. Extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. And you don't see the future. Can you see how easily it's to lose money and you make mistakes? The appropriate stop loss level was up in here. This was the relevant. So changing colors, this was the relevant high. Can you see, everybody? Now what is going to happen on the 15-minute chart? we are going to market moving up and down, 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 bam. Market would do what? Exactly, this is why Jane is winning consistently and you are not winning consistently. You make some money, but then you give it back to the market. Even if it's a news event like the non-farm payroll, having the appropriate stop loss on a relevant high, you should be safer. Make sense? So, give me a second, left click, and so now this is, now that the market made a lower low compared to this low, then charting, this becomes the relevant high. Boss, this is too complex. I know I was too long on vacation this year, everybody. I'm sorry. But go back to Dukascopy Academy and start to watch lesson number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright? And learn and send me questions. In conclusion, everybody, if you didn't receive the free manual, ask for it. You have here the FX Boss website. Alright, and I'm not sure to who I was talking to. You need $5,000 or euros if you want to get on the fast track. Alright, I'm not sure if you're you, Sam, or somebody else. Alright, everybody, you need $5,000 if you want to go on the... No, it's not mandatory, but if you want, you know. With $5,000 or euros, it's all the same to me. You get the Advanced Institutional Trader course for 1 year. You get all the extra courses. The Fibonacci Mastery, the US dollar index, basket trading, system trader. You know, how to hedge for free. You get a Darwin X Zero account 1 year for free, where you can get funded with real capital. And you get the FX Boss trading, so I trade with you or you trade with me. You know, you see my setups, my charts, whatever, for 1 year for free. Okay, everybody? Not mandatory, but this is the magic number. If you want to learn fast, all right? For you to make money, you must have knowledge. We have Forex course 101, 202, 303. USD index, Fibonacci. You must make money, you must become a trader, of course. You must have a strategy, you know, and a plan and so on. And lastly, you need to have capital, right? So we have all of those things. If you want to join me, everybody, I'm giving you knowledge. I trade with you and I'm giving you the money too. Not me personally, but the institutions that I'm partnering with. Alright, everybody? So you have everything on the plate right now. Okay, everybody, do the homeworks, read the manual. Okay, and see you back tomorrow. Send questions if something is not right, if you didn't understand a few things. Read the manual, everybody. Go through the manual. Try to understand what we are talking about in the manual. All right, and see you back on tomorrow on Monday. See you back tomorrow. It's Tuesday. Yeah, at the same time we have classes Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, I'm back. All right, everybody. Yes, from Monday to Friday, same time. Alright, everybody, until tomorrow, stay strong and trade like a boss. Never forget, you are the boss of your own account.